Hello ladies and gentlemen, this boy Sam from Mortar Trading here, and today we'll be looking at NAKD, the fan favourite once again, baby. And yes, we have had the shareholder meeting last night, and if anyone who doesn't know how that went, here are some clips right now.
No, everybody's
What in the heck is going on? That is what I've been listening to for the past probably 30 minutes. Like, what is this? Oh, don't we love some funky elevator music? So, to cut a long story short, we were waiting for a full hour for this meeting to actually take place. And I actually went to sleep after a while because it was 2 o'clock in the UK. I had to wake up at 7 o'clock to drop my dad off at the train station. So, yeah, I wasn't too pleased, but apparently, the news has broke out that NAKD are going to be leaving Bendon. Now, for anyone who doesn't know what Bendon is, we are going to get to that shortly, and we are going to discuss about what impact this is going to have on NAKD's price moving forward, and whether it's going to help it move forward in the future. With that being said, if you haven't already, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. It really helps the channel out, and we're currently on the road to 2,000 subscribers, and I can't thank you all enough to really support this channel. It's absolutely amazing. And a little buddy has told me that we may have Milton Todd Alt on the show very, very soon, which I'm very excited about. And more news will be about that. We're just currently discussing dates and, what sort of questions we're going to ask, stuff like that. So, as soon as we got all of that set in place, I will let you know what is going on. And I'm very, very looking forward to it. I think he's coming on the Trading Fleet podcast, and we're going on Risk On as well. So if you don't know what Risk On is, I'm going to leave a link to it down in the description down below. So go check him out. That podcast is absolutely amazing, and honestly, I wish we had a studio like theirs. Like, theirs is absolutely amazing. Like, I think they've just had it revamped. It just looks so good, and I am a little bit jealous. But with that being said, I'll see you in the video. Before we get into today's video, I just want to say I'm in no way, shape or form a financial advisor, and please take anything I say with a pinch of salt. I'm simply a university student studying business and management, and that is all. Stocks are battlefields. Be sure to do your own research, your own due diligence before entering into the battlefield. I know scout the battlefield for you, however, I cannot fight the battle for you. With that being said, let's move on. Now, let's get into the meat and potatoes of this meeting, right? So, pretty much, NAKD's shareholder meeting was basically to discuss about Bendon Limited. Now, Bendon Limited has been an associated partner with NAKD. It has been sort of connected with NAKD, and I believe they own a certain amount of shares within Bendon. And as you see, they are proposing to divest their shares within the company, right? And for anyone who doesn't know what divestment is, so when we talk about divestment, right, it's the action of selling off a subsidiary business, interests, or investment. So NAKD clearly has a large investment, or is as a subsidiary country to Bendon. And if you look at Bendon, it is actually a very, very similar company. They do the exact same thing as NAKD. So what they are basically doing is they are getting rid of Bendon, because at the moment, Bendon is not profitable. And NAKD has all this cash. They have all of these assets ready to go, but Bendon has been losing the money and actually put them in debt at one point, and they have had to overcome that. And that's part of why us retail investors have been able to keep them afloat, is because of this investment this debt which they've had within the company, right? So the fact that they have now got rid of Bendon with, can I just say, an overwhelming number, like 97.71% is not even an even spread. A lot of people wanted to get rid of Bendon. Only 1.69% was against and 0.6 was neutral. Like 97%, that's huge. And so clearly the NAKD army, the NAKD shareholders, they did not like Bendon, and for a reason, because they were holding the trajectory of NAKD down. And what I think is going to happen now is because NAKD does not have really anyone stopping it from taking off now, it's going to really increase in value, and it's just going to really add to the bullish trend which we have all been stating and sort of hoping for the long-term projection. So yeah, good news all round. And with that being said, we are now going to go to the NAKD graph. Oh, we're flying, baby. We're absolutely flying. We love to see it. 0.6 pre-market, 30% up. We absolutely love it. Like I said, this Bendon move was such a power play for NAKD, and I think the NAKD is going to see some nice bullish action over the next coming days because they are not connected to anyone that could. Well, I mean, they're still connected technically, but you know they are working on divesting their shares with or their subsidiary business within Bendon, right? So it's only going to take off and it's going to progress further. Now, look at the graphical analysis of NAKD, right? We have seen we're seeing a nice run up now, and obviously Sloppy Joe, as we call him, or Sleepy Joe, however you want to call it, opened his mouth, and we did see NAKD's projection. What the heck is going on with my graph here? That we saw NAKD's projection slightly go down. It was a tad bit bearish, but that was only because of Biden opening his mouth and the Nasdaq being weird, and Dow and SPY, all of them, they all just crashed, right? So you know, thank you, Joe Biden. We appreciate it. The capital gains tax, we absolutely love it. Yeah. Good stuff. But moving on to the NAKD, right? So, sorry, I'm trying to draw a graph while I was talking. So, looking at the graph of NAKD, a very nice level of support. I don't know what's going on with me right now. It is all over the shop. 2 seconds, everyone. So, all I'm saying, everyone, is if this run up in the pre-market continues, we're going to see a very, very nice day. We see this nice bullish action, this nice bullish canal going upwards. We love to see it, and NAKD is going up quickly, and you know it's honestly great. And you know, it's about time we saw some green within NAKD, right? And let's hope this could be the play to get it up to $1. Let's all hurry, and then hopefully $2 and then $3, and the rest is history, right? So with that being said, that is my analysis of NAKD. Very short, I know. I mean, let me just have a quick look at the MAC, I guess. So the MAC, bullish. We love to see it. The MAC has pretty much stayed above this green arrow pretty much most of the way. Moving average volume, again, good amount of volume. We haven't really seen much in the pre-market, but that's normal. Pre-market, only certain people have access to it. And we haven't even we've seen a bit of action in pre-market, actually. And that's probably just from Bendon, to be honest, because people are excited that they are now gone. So, you know, this could be very, very good news in the upcoming days, and we could see some nice price action. Looking at the price action now, actually, let's have a quick look at the RSI. The RSI overbought, good stuff, good demand for NAKD stock. So everything right now is looking up for NAKD, and I am here for it. I love this, and I hope it continues in this upward cycle. And I think I'm going to try and do a live stream today at some point, so stay tuned for that. And with that being said, everyone, that is going to do it for today. Be sure to check out the Telegram. Be sure to check out the Reddit. Be sure to check out the Discord, the Twitter, everything, right? To stay up to date with all NAKD news. So that being said, thank you for watching. This has been Roy Sam from our train. See you next video on the channel. Take care, everyone.